Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer money from Dave to Cash App using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Dave app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Accounts at the bottom of your screen. Once you are on your account section, tap on Move Money. Dave will ask you where you want to send this money. If your Cash App bank account is already linked, select it. If it's not linked yet, tap Add Balance, choose Manual Link and enter the routing number and account number. From Cash App, you can find these in the Cash App by tapping your profile, selecting banking and viewing your account details. After your Cash App bank is linked, go back to the transfer screen in Dave, enter the amount of money you want to send, double check the number to make sure it's correct. Now choose the transfer speed. Standard transfer are usually free but can take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfer costs a small fee but are faster. Once everything looks right, tap confirm or send. Dave will show a confirmation screen letting you know the transfer is processing. And that's it. We have successfully transferred money from Dave to Cash App on an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.